They will talk about how can you find your behavior or overview on your example. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on analytics, just click on it. You go down here, so then you click here on behavior overview, just click on it. In here we find all behavior overview. You have in this list. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.